Hi, this is Aaron from Sibling Rivalry. It is the 14th of December, which means it's the 14th day of Advent, which means we're opening panel 14 here. We've survived Friday the 13th, so stick with us for the build. So before I get started here, I just wanted to say yesterday, against all odds, we survived another Friday the 13th, the third one this year, I think. And yeah, I went to the Lego store, got some cool stuff. You'll see that in a future video. We might link it somewhere around here. And I also got a Olaf minifigure keychain because I'm an unabashed Olaf fan. Partly because I like warm hugs. Also, honestly, I think he's just like symbolic of our generation. So we'll build a snowman if you want to. Okay, so let's get started on day 14 here. I feel like the further along I get in this, the harder it is to open this without damaging the box. Everything falls over. Okay, so it's presents today. The present is presents. Can you open these presents? So is this meta enough for you? I'm opening a present to get presents. And there's maybe more presents involved? Is the present or the present? Or the past? Ooh. In case you didn't notice, also, I gave the girl minifigure a gun so she can defend herself from the marauders of the winter. Hashtag topical. So let's take a look here. So this is pretty simple. It's just kind of like you're just connecting a bunch of bricks together and whatnot. So you just put the little flat disc one with a single peg on top of the blue, and you put that. There's a present. That, and then we put a 2 peg in there, 2-to-1 peg tile thing, and then we put this on top. I'm gonna turn it 90 degrees so that it's got a nice little contrast to it. That's a present. What could be inside this present? Maybe it's Lego bricks. What do we do with that one? It's a boot or a stocking or something. I don't know. It's a boot. Just what you wanted for Christmas. A single boot.
Oh wow, a boot, a Christmas boot. Oh me, oh my, how very Canadian of me. A boot, a boot.
A boot, a boot. Today we'll be talking about these presents. So there's some presents. I think we get a Christmas tree at some point, if memory serves. And we'll set these, I don't know. For now, we'll set them around the lamppost. It's the closest representation to a Christmas tree. And, you know, always keep your presents outside. Because otherwise, Krampus will come and get you or something. I don't know. I just don't know. But I got an Olaf. So, yeah. What do you got? Let us know down in the comments below. So, I hope you enjoyed this video. I know it was pretty short, but thank you for watching. If you liked, please give us a thumbs up. We really appreciate that. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. We really do appreciate that as well. And if you are subscribed, make sure that you have rung the bell for notifications so you don't miss out on any of our videos from now until the next 10 days, until the end of Advent and the beginning of Christmas. So stay tuned for that. Like I've said in previous videos, we're posting regular content on Mondays and bonus content on Thursdays still, along with the daily updates for the Advent calendar. So thanks again for watching. I hope you have a great day, and if you're somewhere where there's snow, go outside and build a snowman.